In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the memory usage in Figma. Understanding how much memory your Figma files are consuming is incredibly important for maintaining smooth performance, especially when you're working on large, complex projects with many pages, high-resolution images, or intricate prototypes. Keeping an eye on memory usage can help you identify potential bottlenecks and ensure your design workflow remains efficient and responsive. This simple process allows you to monitor your application's health and optimize your files as needed, preventing frustrating slowdowns or crashes. To begin, the very first step is to locate the main application menu within Figma. You'll find this in the upper left corner of your Figma application window. Look for the small, downward-pointing arrow situated right next to the Figma logo. This arrow acts as your gateway to a comprehensive menu that houses various application-wide settings and controls. Clicking this arrow will open a drop-down menu, giving you access to a range of options that govern how Figma operates and interacts with your system. It's a fundamental starting point for many administrative and diagnostic tasks within the software, allowing you to delve into deeper application functions. Once you have the main application menu open, your next action is to navigate through the options presented. Among the various categories such as File, Edit, Object, and so on, you'll need to find and click on the View option. The View menu is specifically designed to control how elements are displayed on your canvas and within the Figma interface itself. It's where you'd typically find settings related to rulers, pixel preview, UI visibility, and in this case, crucial performance monitoring tools. Selecting View will then expand into a secondary submenu, revealing further display-related settings that help you customize your workspace and get insights into your design environment. Finally, within that View submenu, you will see an option labeled Memory Usage. Go ahead and click on this. Upon selection, Figma will display a concise overlay or panel, providing you with real-time information about the memory your current file and the overall Figma application are consuming. This data is crucial for diagnosing performance issues. For instance, if you notice unusually high memory usage, it could indicate that your file is becoming too heavy due to a multitude of high-resolution images, complex vector shapes, extensive prototyping connections, or numerous artboards. A good tip here is to regularly check this, especially after importing large assets or adding many new pages. If the memory usage is consistently high, consider optimizing your design by simplifying complex elements, reducing the resolution of unnecessary images, or perhaps splitting very large projects into smaller, more manageable Figma files. Regularly clearing your browser cache or restarting the Figma desktop application can also sometimes help in releasing unused memory and improving performance.